comes in, he goes to land quickly, gather the down pilot. We invite you to stop by to take a ride in our combat order Hughes and Cobra helicopters. It is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Terrain, triple canopy jungle, and the central highlands of South Vietnam. The U.S. forces, in support of the South Vietnam, occurred very often during the Vietnam War. The United
some stickers with a YouTube channel shows what we do. Formation fight. Thanks so much. Yeah, thank you for coming out. Really appreciate it. Come on out. Here you go.
from the beaches down from the down coast of Albuquerque. He is going to take a closer look. To protect the helicopter, the UH-1 that will be coming in to drop off our quick reaction force. He'll be in position ready to deliver his deadly ordnance. Whenever an aircraft is shot down, and from the right-hand side, we have the UH-1 quick reaction force coming in. Other aircraft coming in for the rest.
They cuffed up. We heard the call of the gun to distract the personnel who to be airlifted. Many of those aircrews received glorious awards for their actions, such as
signature on there?
Got that, and it was.
All right.
So I'm building.
Oh, that's gonna be superb.
When it started out, it was going to be 200 heaven. Now they're pushing 3.
Now that the rotorcraft reaction
Think
force
of like
is ready to pilot, it's all going to comes in, goes to land quickly, gathers the down pilot. We have our down pilot with his arms waving. The UH-1 has one sight. Don't be grabbing him and getting out of the area.
I'm trying to avoid that. Probably watching.
Sure.
Here we go. You got one too.
Okay, so we'll get you taken care of.
There you go. Covered.
You got
You gotta get one more for you. Awesome. We're gonna meet right here for a minute.
There you go. Did you have fun so far?
Perhaps nothing is event. The pilots of the UH-1, Chief Warrant Officer 5 retired, Tom McNamara, and Chief Warrant Officer 4 retired, T.C. Lewis. Flying our Cobra today, Captain retired, Greg Mercier, and Captain John Ross. Aviation is an integral part of today's Army. We are extremely proud of the men and women who maintain and fly these aircraft. Ladies and gentlemen, as our aircraft continue to land, we invite you to stop by to take a ride in our combat air Hughes and Cobra helicopters. It is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for most folks to fly in these iconic aircraft. If you want to learn more about us and how you can support, visit our website, armyav.org. The Army Aviation Heritage Foundation, Sky Soldiers. Thank you, and thank all of our country's military and veterans.
Thank you very much indeed, ladies and gentlemen. A very big round of applause, if you would, for the Sky